Hey guys, I love this Dreo Tower Fan. I just wanted to give you one quick pointer though on it. So, as you know, you're able to fill this thing up with water in this reservoir here, which is really cool. But one of the things that I didn't realize, and it was a little buggy to me at first, that I was trying to fill this up, and it has these cords and hose attached to it. So I was trying to like pour pitchers of water to it or like carry it and hold it up. So that was a little weird for me. Then I looked at it a little more and I realized you can just reach down in there, make sure it's unplugged from the wall and everything first, but you can just reach down in there and pull out this whole insert piece here that has the power and the tubing connected to it. So it's just super easy. Pinch it and you can pull it out. Then you can take it and either dump out your old water, fill it up with fresh water, and then you just come back over and you just really easy, it just snaps right back in place, and then you put your tank. Oops.